unboxing the Ds18 Pro NEO 6.5 inch speaker. I'm doing 12 of these in the Supreme Patty build. I'm going to show these off to you guys, give you guys a first impressions review on them based on what I can see from unboxing them. Let you guys see these closer up, more in detail than on my website, because again, you guys can buy all this Ds18 equipment from my website, www.customloads.com. Go check it out. Go get all this Ds18 gear behind me, as well as these speakers that I'm going to unbox for you guys right now. Well, let's see what we got in the package. Again, as always, I'm going to compliment their packaging. Definitely the box here, cool graphics, very well printed. I believe that's a sign of a company that really cares about their product. I'm not going to down talk any companies that don't have boxes like this, because that does not mean that their product is not good, but this is pretty cool. Got a sticker in here, pretty cool, which nothing else came with stickers, like none of the amps or anything like that. That is like a complaint for some people. I mean, even myself, I assume I'm going to have a sticker in every one of these, so I'm going to get a ton of them, but I do like having stickers and stuff. I like having the decals to display, put them on my car, put them in the build, wherever. But there's definitely a nice looking mid here. I went with 12 of these NEO ones, and then I also have 12 of the Ferrite motor ones. Typically the NEO drivers to the Ferrite drivers have a different response. The Ferrite driver will typically be better geared for a mid-bass, and the NEO drivers will typically be geared for, they are mid-bass, but it is an upper mid-bass. So I felt doing a mix of them would actually sound really good, give it a good range as far as music goes. But definitely a very nice looking speaker. I definitely dig the fact that they got the Ds18 engraved on the sides. That's a nice feature. Showing off your logo, that always means you care about your product. You're proud of your product, you want to put your name all over it. Got a closed pole vent, so that's decent. If it's closed, you could mount these speakers right up against stuff. You don't have to worry about the clearance on the back. Obviously, sometimes if it does touch like door metal, you might ground out your speaker, so you definitely got to be careful of that. But other than that, I do like the fact that it doesn't have a vented pole in the back, because you can mount these very close. I did specifically pick these because they do have a shallow mounting depth. Let's see here. The mounting depth is, total mounting depth is 3.18 inches, so that's very shallow. A little shallower than the typical 6.5. These are, let's see here, 500 watts max, 250 watts RMS. I don't know why companies put max RMS or max ratings on stuff. They really need to stop doing that. I'm going to go ahead and guess, based on the fact that it's 500 to 250, probably safely around 300 watts, 350. Again, everything has to be tuned correctly. When we hook these all up in the Supreme Patty build, everything's going to be DD1, CC1, tuned properly, make sure there's no clipping going into any speakers. Other than that though, this looks like an awesome speaker. Push terminals on the sides, definitely a nice feature there. I guess point deducted for the fact that they're a little small as well. When I'm doing a big build, we're going to be having a lot of power on the speakers. Again, like I said in the previous video, I like to upsize my wire just in precaution. Overkill or no kill, like I said already. But still, definitely a nice feature, the fact that they have push terminals. That's a positive for this speaker. I do like it. It's a very good look, very sleek. It doesn't jump out at you. I'm going to be doing 12 of these in the Supreme Patty build. Again, you can buy these on my website at www.customloads.com. All the other Ds18 gear is available on my website as well, so check that out. Like my page, subscribe to my page, like the video, comment below, let me know what you guys think. Check out all my other unboxing videos of Ds18 gear. I also got plenty of videos on the Supreme Patty build coming up for you guys to check out. Also the Impala build, I'm working on that more, so you guys are going to see a lot more videos on that as well. But again, make sure you check out my website to buy these, and